Hello YouTubers, I am Parviz and this is our 36th video in Android application development. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create circular image in Android Studio. In this video I want to show you that how you can send email from your Android Studio using intent action send. So for example, if you have email application in your mobile, you can use send action send intent to send emails. So now let's get started. So the first thing I need, I have created a new project, and let me just change this text view to button, and also let me just change the text to, for example, send email, and I need to give an ID for this, Android ID at ID, for example, send email. So this is my button. Let me make it, bring this in here. Okay, after this, open your main activity and create a button in here. So button btn send, and btn send find view by ID r dot id dot send email. Now we need to set an on click listener for this. btn send dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and in here let me create a method of send mail. Now we need to create this method in here, public void send mail. So the first thing I need to create an array string of 2. So for example, I want to send my email. So let me just so for example, you can write an email. So let me write like this, and also you can give a string cc, and you can add, for example, at codeloop.org. Okay, now after this you can use intent for this. Intent, I call it mail, new intent, and I need to import intent. Okay, so in here the first thing we need to set the action send in here. So action send, because we are sending, and now we need to send our data. So mail dot send data, and we need to parse this. So URI dot parse mail2. After this we need to put our data. So put extra intent dot extra email, and 2, this is the 2, and also you need to put the data and send the data. Extra cc. Okay, after this, then now we need to set our for example, the data that we want to set. Mail dot put extra intent dot extra text. Now we need to give the data, for example, this email will be sent, and after this mail dot put extra and this is the subject. So intent dot extra subject, and for example you can write code whatever you want, the subject codeloop.org I have right. And now after this you need to start the activity. So start activity, intent dot create chooser, and mail, and the title, for example, mail 2. So okay, now this is our simple application. If I run this, maybe so it will not work in the Memo Play because I don't have email application in the virtual emulator. But if you run through your real device, you will see the result. So let me just run in here, and you can see that okay, now this is our application, and if I click on send email, so you can see we have in here that no apps can perform this action because we don't have the for example email application in here. So you can see we have mail 2 in here. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and also like and share the video.